Monstercus here. I am back from stuff. I'm just going to show you my real face from now on. Maybe for YouTube I might have a face cam. And I just wanted to say I'm sorry for what happened in the last episode. It didn't actually get recorded because my power went down, and I'd like to say sorry because I've been having a trouble doing YouTube, I guess. I'd like to say this video, there's something actually really bad happened. One of my videos was banned from copyright, and I had no idea why it was actually banned from copyright. So I deleted the video. So yeah, everything's still good now, and it's quite a little bit time that you can write to me. What should I do for YouTube next time? What should I do next? Because I'm getting a little bit tired as Terraria of me not killing the twins. But the only boss that I've defeated Skeleton Prime and Destroyer, and the only last boss that we need to defeat next is the twins. And now we can make the pickaxe axe or the Drax. You put in the comments which one should I make, and we actually do have to actually make the Mega Shock, or we're gonna get crystal bullets, do stuff. Our armor's good, we've got hallowed armor. And I just want to say thank you for watching this episode. A lot happened, as you remember, I said that. Just like to say goodbye.